Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix do not disturb keeps turning on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. And if you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting and click on my phone. And you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. Scroll down and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix do not disturb keeps turning on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.